Hey man, say man, finna get a hood for this bit. If y'all see this hood right here, it's peeling and chipping and shit. So I'ma just probably take this hood off, go where you going, put that one on over there. Take my bolts and shit with me. So I'ma post when we got the hood off. All of these 2 bolts on each side. And you gotta take the strut off. Got the hood off. Put it over in bro shit. So if in the head to go get the other hood, y'all gonna see what I'm replacing it with. So we back. This the hood we ended up getting right here. Y'all can see it's a scoop hood. I had to use this to tie it down till I got my little bracket. But it's the hood. Not yet, cause we still gotta fuck with it.